I'm here with Felix Lo, Managing Director at Golden Gate Capital. Felix, great to see you.
Great to see you.
So you just came off one of our private equity panels discussing exits. Can you tell me a little bit about what you look for in a company?
Yeah, great question. One of the things we really look for at Golden Gate is I always ask the companies, what's your superpower? Usually companies that we look for have one thing that they do that's really better than anybody else in their industry, and that's really important for us. The other thing that we always ask about is, what's your kryptonite? Usually there's something that a company will need help with, and if that's something that we at Golden Gate are particularly helpful with, that's really a good fit for us.
And what are you seeing right now in terms of exits?
Yeah, it's really a great question. It's really a tale of two markets out there. We're seeing companies with good organic growth and high strategic value still seeing a lot of real strong interest out there, getting great multiples. On the other hand, we're seeing companies that maybe aren't growing as fast or in more cyclical industries really having a hard time out there.
Now, Felix, I know you've been in the industry for quite some time. You're very experienced. What would be one piece of advice you'd give a young person just getting into the private equity space?
Yeah, really that it's all about the people. I learned this from my mentor, Jerome Vascellaro over at TPG. He really just reminded me that as much as it's about EBITDA, the people are really important. For us at Golden Gate, we go out to industrial places like Iowa or Mississippi to really meet with founders. And I also have a partner of mine, Dan Haspel, here at Golden Gate, who recently closed a deal with a founder, and they really bonded over their shared love of the Lord of the Rings. So you never know what will be the deciding factor.
That's fantastic. Well, thanks so much for taking the time, Felix.
Thanks, Courtney.